Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. Thanks for making the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network a part of your routine. This is the Insights video, which will take you through the weekend as we flip the calendar to March and into the start of next week as an active pattern continues, and that will be the case through the start of March. A quiet few days here to end the week and a mild Saturday. Most of us will jump into the 40s. Colder air does return on Sunday, though, and with that transition, there may be a little bit of light snow. Watching the Monday-Tuesday time frame for a potential system, too. We'll talk more about that as well. It all has to do with the jet stream, river of air high in the sky. Steers storms, acts like a thermostat, too. So you notice on Saturday, jet stream to our north. So we do allow a little bit of mild air to come in across the northeast with highs in the 40s. Then that jet stream dips south. There's no big trough that dips in, but you notice the jet stream's pretty much across the northeast or positioned nearby heading into the Monday, Tuesday time frame as well. So our Thursday system, mainly moving off the mid-Atlantic, may skirt us here in the northern fringe along the south coast with a light snow shower for our Thursday evening. Meanwhile, we are the cool spot across the northeast in the lower 48. But it is very hot, 95 to 100 across southern Texas with record-breaking warmth. Actually, the desert southwest and southern Texas will see some record-breaking highs, 80s and 90s, quite numerous here through the end of the week and the upcoming weekend in those areas. It will also fuel some pockets of rain and thunderstorms from southern portions of Georgia and South Carolina through the Gulf Coast and down through Florida during the day on Friday. Just general pop-up thunderstorms for the most part, but some locally heavy rain and localized flash flooding. A couple may reach severe criteria with some hail possible and damaging wind gusts too. For us here at home, we track a couple of flurries exiting northern and eastern Maine to start Thursday. And then during the evening, there's that wave of low pressure going by to our south, may skirt the south coast. Again, a coating possible, but even that, a lot of the moisture stays offshore. Friday, a quiet day overall, couple in far northern New England flurries and snow showers in the mountains. Saturday, here we go, ahead of the cold front, we jump up into the 40s with generally a south and southwest wind. Then the cold front comes in. So we do see falling temperatures during the day on Sunday. And with that transition, you notice we get some pockets of snow that come in generally Saturday night into early Sunday. Doesn't look like a large system, but there may be some localized slick spots with a coating to an inch possible Saturday night into Sunday morning. So we'll watch that. And the problem here is this front slows down just to our south. So we're on the colder side as the next wave of low pressure comes by as we head into later Monday and Tuesday. So that's the next chance of snow spreading into the region. Of course, we're several days out, so we'll watch the timing of that one and the placement and amounts. But again, that would be moving in during the day on Monday and lasting potentially into Tuesday, depending on the exact track and how strong that wave of low pressure is as it goes by. Otherwise, the main story is a little melting refreeze. Highs mid to upper 30s on Thursday, 20s in the far north country. Bit of a breeze around 10 to 15 miles per hour. It does get cold Thursday night, widespread single digits in northern New England, teens and 20s for those still without power on Cape Cod and southeastern New England. Friday's highs 35 to 40. Sun and clouds, even northern New England, we get a little bit of melting, 20s in northern Maine. Wind, you notice Friday night is out of the southwest. It's generally light, but it won't be as cold as Thursday night. So teens in the coldest spots of northern New England, 20s for most of us. So a little melting refreeze for some localized slick spots pretty much each morning. Look at the highs on Saturday, above average, well into the 40s, all the way to the Canadian border. The wind out of the west-southwest shifts around. So by Sunday, a lot of these high temperatures will be during the first part of the day, and then colder air comes in over the course of the day, 20s north, 30s south, and you'll see that in our free app, the 14-day forecast, the hourly forecast, the videos, and access to our stream as well, the interactive radar, and the Send to Us tab on there too. The only weather app you need, search 1 Degree Outside Weather in the App Store and Google Play. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com, and don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside Weather.